In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Perplexity AI login issues. If you're stuck on the sign-in screen, seeing an endless loading spinner, or getting a message that won't let you proceed, the most reliable quick fix is to clear the browsing data your browser has stored for the site. Old cookies or cached files can conflict with fresh login sessions, so wiping them out gives your browser a clean slate. First, open the Perplexity website in your browser. You don't have to attempt to log in yet. Just make sure the page loads so you know you're in the right place. Next, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the menu icon with 3 vertical dots. Click those 3 dots to open the main browser menu. This is where all of your browser's controls live, including the settings we need. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to your browser's control panel. If you've never been here before, don't worry. It's just a list of options that let you manage how your browser stores information. Inside Settings, find and click Privacy and Security. That section controls things like cookies, site data, and caching, which directly affect how websites remember you and keep you signed in. Now click Delete Browsing Data. You'll see options that relate to cached images and files, cookies, and other site data. Deleting this data removes the saved sign-in information and any outdated files that might be causing conflicts. Be aware that removing cookies can sign you out of websites, and clearing cache may make some pages load a bit slower the first time after the reset. Depending on your browser, you may see a time range menu. Choosing a broader range wipes more stored data that could be lingering in the background, while a shorter range focuses on recent issues. This action won't remove your bookmarks, and it won't erase saved passwords unless you explicitly select those items, so you can proceed with confidence. Finally, click Delete to confirm. Your browser may take a few seconds to complete the cleanup. When it's done, the stored data that could have interfered with your login is gone. With your browser data cleared, the login flow on the Perplexity website should behave like a fresh first visit, which often resolves stubborn sign-in problems. The next time the page loads, you'll be starting from clean data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple cleanup gets you back into your account smoothly and quickly.